In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix shipping not available in Shopify. If your customers are seeing a shipping not available error at checkout, it usually means Shopify doesn't know how to ship those products to that location. We're going to fix that by creating a custom shipping profile, assigning products to it, choosing which countries or regions you ship to, and then setting up your shipping rates correctly. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look to the bottom left of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all of your store level configuration lives. Inside Settings, click on Shipping and Delivery. This page controls how shipping is calculated and which profiles and zones you have set up. Next, we're going to create a new shipping profile. Look for the option that says Create Custom Profile and click on it. A shipping profile lets you control how shipping works for specific groups of products or regions. You'll now see a field to name your new profile. Type in a clear internal name that makes sense to you, like international shipping or domestic products. Your customers won't see this name. It's just to keep things organized on your side. Now, click on Add Products. A list of your store products will appear. Select the products you want to include in this profile, meaning these are the products that can be shipped to the regions you're about to set up. When you've selected the right products, click Done to confirm. Next, we need to define where these products can be shipped. Click on Add Shipping Zone. Give this zone an internal name, such as Europe or North America, again, just for your own reference. Under the zone name, you'll see a list of countries and regions. Click on the countries or regions you'd like to add to the shipping zone. These are the locations where customers will be able to receive the products you just selected. When you're finished choosing them, click Done. You may see an option to go to markets. Click that to quickly check that the countries you've added are active in your Shopify market settings. If a country isn't active there, shipping can still fail, so make sure they're enabled. Now, back in your shipping profile, it's time to add actual shipping rates. Click on Add Rate. In the rate type dropdown, choose whether you want a flat rate or another type of rate, depending on how you charge for shipping. Then click into the shipping rate field dropdown and decide what kind of shipping rate you will use. This could be a standard shipping option, express, or whatever suits your business. Click into the custom rate name field and give this rate a clear name, like standard shipping or express shipping. This name can be seen by your customers at checkout, so make it understandable. Next, click into the price field and enter the amount you want to charge for the shipping option. If you need more detailed pricing, you can click on Add Conditional Pricing. This allows you to make the shipping cost change based on certain conditions. You'll see options such as basing the rate on item weight or on order price. Click on Based on Item Weight if you want the cost to change with how heavy the order is. Or click on Order Price if you'd rather set rules based on the total value of the order, such as free shipping over a certain amount. Once you're happy with your rates and any conditions you've added, click Done to save them. At this point, you've created a custom profile, assigned products, chosen countries or regions, and added shipping rates. Now, when customers from those countries try to check out with those products, they should see valid shipping options instead of the shipping not available error, because their countries are active in markets and correctly included in the shipping profile.